Ever felt stuck in an infinite loop while working in Power BI? Yep, that's circular dependency in action. First, pinpoint the cause. Sometimes it's innocent relationships causing chaos. Next, structure your data model smartly to avoid unintended loops. A clever use of DAX functions can keep dependencies in check. And if all else fails, rethink your approach. There's always a way out. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Picture a dog chasing its tail. That's circular dependency. It happens when relationships in Power BI start looping endlessly. This wreaks havoc on calculations, making them refuse to behave. It also slows down your data model like a bad Wi-Fi signal. The trick is to structure things intelligently so your model isn't chasing itself. Ever connected two tables without thinking twice? That's how circular dependency sneaks in. Bad relationships can trap your calculations in an endless loop. Over-reliance on calculated columns can make things worse. Functions like filter and related are great until they start talking in circles. And of course, sloppy DAX formulas are always ready to cause trouble. Circular dependencies don't just slow you down, they mess everything up. Reports take ages to refresh, and worse, your calculations might lie to you. Broken relationships mean queries can fail entirely. And let's not even talk about troubleshooting. It's like untangling earphones after stuffing them in your pocket. Ever wondered why your DAX calculations sometimes misbehave? It's all about context transition. Row context transforms into filter context, and if you don't handle it properly, boom, unexpected results. Knowing how Calculate manages this magic trick can save your calculations from chaos. Mastering context transition helps you write more reliable and efficient formulas. Let's make sure your DAX behaves like a well-trained assistant, not a rebellious teenager. Creating relationships in DAX. Sounds like matchmaking, but beware of circular dependencies. When tables endlessly refer to each other, it's like an awkward love triangle that never ends. Instead of direct relationships, bridge tables can help keep everything smooth. A clean data model is the secret ingredient to efficient analysis, making sure your relationships don't turn into a tangled mess. Circular dependency errors can feel like chasing your own tail. You fix one thing and suddenly two others break. Fortunately, error messages often drop subtle hints about where things went wrong. Sometimes switching from measures to calculated columns can solve the puzzle. And if nothing works, break that loop with an intermediary table. Debugging is frustrating, but hey, it's also the best way to level up your DAX skills. Want your reports to run like a sports car instead of a slow-moving tractor? It's all about optimizing your data models. Keeping relationships minimal prevents sluggish queries, while summarization techniques lighten the workload. Large datasets need special treatment. Indexing and partitioning help them behave. Think of optimization like fine-tuning an engine so your reports zoom instead of crawl. Time for real-world examples, because theory is great, but nothing beats seeing solutions in action. We'll break down actual cases where circular dependencies caused chaos and how they were resolved. We'll also highlight mistakes so you don't have to repeat them. Learning from others' blunders. That's wisdom at its finest. And that's a wrap. We tackled context transition, debugged circular dependencies, and optimized data models. Now it's your turn to apply these techniques. Remember, the best way to learn is by making mistakes, just hopefully fewer of them after today. Keep these key takeaways in mind and your DAX formulas will thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.